Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to distort a text box in Photoshop. Now see this simple text and a rectangle for use text box. Okay. First of all, added the text, align this, right click mouse, convert to smart object, rasterize layer. Then hold Ctrl T, right click mouse. Now see this distort. Click here. Now distort your text. Okay. Another way to hold Ctrl T, right click mouse. Use prepositive. Okay. Hold Ctrl T. Skip for same way. Warp. Or use customs. ARC lower, ARC upper. Now see this use style. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.